Hi everyone, welcome. In this video we're talking about how to use Claude AI right inside the VSCode editor. So guys, firstly you need to head to Claude AI and make sure you have access to Claude 3 or newer via Anthropic. Copy your API key if you're on the paid plan. Claude doesn't offer open API for everyone yet. Search for an extension like Code GPT or AI Companion in the extension marketplace. These let you plug Claude or other LLMs into your IDE. Go into extension settings. After that, choose provider equals Claude and post your API key. If Claude isn't listed, some extensions let you manually configure it using the api.anthropic.com. After that, open any code file, use the extension command like Ctrl-Shift-P as Claude and type your prompts. Claude will now generate or analyze code right inside your editor. Also, from the important info, Claude's API is limited to Pro or Enterprise users for now. Use Claude for Python, GS, HTML, and even natural language writing. If you get errors, check for rate limits or token usage caps. And that's how to use Claude AI in VS Code. Like if it helped, and also subscribe for more AI tools and actions. And check the description for working extensions. See you in the next one.